Good morning, everyone. My name is Alejandro Franco Noreña. Today I'm going to share a short presentation about boyaca local food. Okay, first of all, the most common recipe in this department is the stew. It is original from Spain, which arrived in Colombia with the Spain colony. Later, the recipe was modified with typical regional ingredients of Villa de Leyva. And Villa is common in this kind of recipe. This dish taken by poor people, and speaking with low resources, and they had to work in the field. But rich people as well took this stew, but with ingredients with superior qualities and better pieces of meat. This is how this mestizo dish arrived in America and settled in the 19th century, make it the winner of many gastronomic awards. Okay, the ingredients is compound of green beans, ibias, cubes, chugas, and sabanera potato, pork, bacon, and onions, tomatoes, milk, water, okay, oregano, bay leaf, and tablespoon oil, pepper, salt, garlic, and so on. Some, if you are from Colombia or from another department, obviously you don't know what kind of tobacco is this, but maybe the taste is very strange for you. But in Boyacá it is typical and the people like it. Okay, the next one is about a chop with black pudding and sausage. Okay, the first ingredients of Creole potato that you can see over there. This kind of yellow round potato, and we can find plantain. You can find, or look, like in this is called in Colombia chorizo and longaniza. So you can find this. How do you prepare this kind of dish? And it is about those ingredients: enough oil and fried the potatoes until golden brown, and until golden brown as well the black pudding and sausage. Serve with homemade and chili pepper. The next one is about recipe of roast cow. It is typically you walking in the street across the downtown, and you can find this typical food, as well with arepas or buns. This come with meat and buns as well. Okay, there is the preparation of in butter and garlic, basil and lemon juice, salt and chili to taste. The next one is about boyacenses buns, the most common dish in this department. You can find this in a lot of streets and a lot of people who prepare this kind of arepa. And there is compound or ingredients: cup of wheat flour, cups of cornmeal to make arepas, tablespoon of sugar, and cup of milk, butter, and cheese. So mix the ingredients to form an uniform dough, for medium to uniform dough balls. Once the balls are made, make an urn inside and stuff with cheese. Then cover it with a little dough and flatten into circular shape. Then to the grill, trying to turn, and then every 2 minutes, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. That's it. I hope that you enjoyed.